Hey guys, how's it going? So if you guys are ever wondering how am I recording and flying at the same time, this is how I'm doing it. So what I got here is one of these 99 cents tripod. I got this at Daiso for 99 cents. It's either 99 cents or $1.50, one of those price. But anyways, I took one of these cheap little tripod, stuck it on an old baseball cap, threw a bunch of tape on it. Now I got a head mount. So a majority of my videos that you guys been seeing, I've been wearing this thing and flying and recording. So yeah, I don't need to buy a head mount. I could just make one for under $2 or even under $1, and it works perfect. It looks kind of ghetto, but it works. It really does. It really works. So yeah, I'm gonna put the camera on the mount, stick it on my head, and then I'll show you guys. Alright, so here it is. There's the ghetto head mount, which works perfectly. I can turn this way. There's my painting. Turn this way, there's an empty wall. Look straight ahead, there's me. Yeah, that's how it's done, guys. Get you some.